Welcome to our video on how to view and assign programs through your teacher dashboard. First, you'll go into the login page, fill in your email, password, and then log in. Once you're in your dashboard, you will see your class or organization name, along with your teacher or organization code, and the number of certified students, and the total number of students you have assigned with that teacher code. To view the programs as a student would before you assign them, you can go up to this right upper hand corner and click on the Programs tab. All of our programs are there for you, and you're able to preview them so that you can see what students will see without having to create your own student account. If you already know what programs you would like to assign, then starting back at your dashboard, you can click this Assign green button. Currently, there are no assigned programs, so I'll scroll down, and then all of our programs that you saw earlier are right here. To assign one, click Assign Program. You can click All in order to assign to all of your students and hit Save. Now, any future student using your teacher code will automatically be assigned this program. You can click OK. And there it is. Now, when students sign up using your teacher code, they will see this program and only this program in their dashboard. If you don't have any students registered yet, but you still want to assign a program, you can do that by going to Class Assign and assigning the program that you want, and just clicking All and then Save. Whenever your students register using the teacher code in your account, the program will automatically be assigned to them. If you would like to assign certain students different programs, you can use this Assign to Individual Students button. All your students will show up. If you want to click on a specific student and assign them a new program, you can do that by clicking the program you want just for them and clicking Assign Program. Thank you so much for watching this short clip. And if you have any questions, please email us at teachers@fitmoney.org.